Welcome to our LUCID Study app installation guide. You can download the app from Google Play Store. Once you install our app, the first screen you see is the login page. If you are a new user, clicking on the New User tab will lead you to the first step of signing up, where you start with entering your username in the space provided. Enter the name of the user who is going to register with us, that is the parent, guardian, teacher or the student. Fill in the first and the last names of the user without any spaces. Then enter the name of the district or place you belong to. For example, Krishna district. Once you click on the calendar symbol, you will find the year. Click on the year and the drop-downs will appear. Select the applicable year, month and date accordingly. Then enter the gender of the user by clicking on the drop-down button and select accordingly, followed by your valid email ID and phone number. In case if the student is a user and doesn't have an email ID, parents or guardian's email ID can be provided. Once you are done, click on the Next tab. The second step is to select the syllabus or state board of your choice. Select and click on the state syllabus icon of your choice. After clicking on the Next tab, you will be guided to the next page of selecting the class you belong to. For example, if you belong to class 10th, then select class 10 tab and submit by clicking on the Submit tab. As soon as you submit, you will receive a 4-digit verification code on the registered mobile number. Enter the code in the space provided in the pop-up window and submit. With this, you are done with the 3-step signing up process. Once the verification code is verified, you will be directed to the home page with your registered name displayed on the left-hand top corner. During registration process, in case you have selected the wrong syllabus or class, you can correct yourself by clicking on the pen icon reflecting below your name, which will take you back to the second step. In the home page, you will have 4 icons at the bottom: Home, My Classes, Library and more. Click on the My Class icon and you will be directed to the subjects of the syllabus you have selected during signing up. If you click on the Mathematics icon, you will find Class 10th Mathematics page with 4 tabs on the top: Videos, Assignment, Test and Live. The first one is Videos, where all the chapters of the Class 10th Mathematics are displayed. If you click on the chapter, you will find several parts of the chapter, out of which one will be open and remaining will be locked. The second tab is Assignments. The third one is Test, where you can assess your preparation. And the last one is Live, for live classes. If you want to access all the logged parts of the chapters, assignments, tests and live classes, then you need to upgrade your subscription to Premium. For this, go back to Home page by clicking on the back arrow symbol at the top left corner beside the Class 10 tab and click on the Upgrade to Premium Account tab, and you will find the 0 rupees subscription. Click on the Buy Now tab and you will be subscribed successfully by clicking on Done. Now if you go back to the subjects like Mathematics, you will find all the parts of the chapters unlocked for you. Just click on the play button and watch the videos. The same applies to all the subjects. That is, videos, assignments, tests and live will be accessible for all the subjects, that is social studies, physical science and biology, after you upgrade to Premium account. Back to the home page, the third icon at the bottom is the Library, where you can access the LUCID Study material and daily boosters. The fourth icon on the home page is the More, where you can update your profile, check our terms and conditions, privacy, cancellation and refund policies, alerts, contact us and sharing our LUCID Study app option. Finally, if you want to log out of the app, then click on the user profile to find the sign out option at the right-hand bottom corner.